Good morning and good afternoon. We're back. This is part 2 of today's events. Yeah. We're listening to Korn, the new Korn song. Do you like Korn? Because I like Korn, and I like Korn when it's floating in the toilet. This is where I'm at, everyone. Hi, everyone. Do you like the curtains? I like them too. Well, here we go. We have to go into the bathroom again and hide. We're going to see what happens next. Oh, I almost dropped the phone. Holy crap. Can you believe it? Look, I'm wearing an orange shirt today. Isn't it special? Well, we have to take off the coat. And we have to take off the Blackhawks hat because they're going to the playoffs and we don't want to get nothing on that. And look, I got my expensive blue tip Purdy brush. It's special, isn't it? Well, here we go. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yeah, we just paid our head as usual. Yeah, we'll try and do this really good today because this is a really good brush. Look, I can make a straight line right across my forehead. And then we go down just like that. Perfect with that blue tip. You like it? Woo! And then what else are we going to do today? Maybe we'll just paint a little bit around here. As you can tell, this is a very good brush. We'll do the other side. Ooh. Yeah, these make great straight lines, don't they? It's called the blue tip Purdy. Yeah, it works very well like this. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, I missed the spot. What happened over here? I messed up the whole thing. So we'll just add to it like this. It'll look the same. Oh, well, we have to do this. Oh, well, we have to fix over here then. Is that better? That looks pretty even, doesn't it? Well, the new thing is the lip painting thing. You like that? Woo! You like it? Well, if you don't like it, don't watch it, because I don't give a crap. Don't watch it if you don't like it, because I don't give a crap.